The Alabama Talent Triad is the nation's first full-scale talent marketplace. It is designed to collect job and education opportunities across the state to support a stronger economy for Alabama today and tomorrow. The Alabama Talent Triad focuses on connecting four types of players: students and job seekers of all ages and levels of job experience, schools, educational programs, and training providers. We work with all institutions, whether they offer degree or non-degree programs, employers of all sizes across all industry sectors, and state policymakers who have invested into the talent triad with the intention of improving the state's workforce participation rate and filling the open skilled positions that are currently available as Alabama builds itself up to become the workforce engine of the Southeast. For students and job seekers like you, we make all learning count. No matter your background, you can record and display all skills, credentials, and experiences. These can be earned and learned through both degree and non-degree programs. From the employer's side, we provide them with a platform to publish their job openings. This allows you to search and apply for all kinds of positions that are aligned with your specific skill set and educational background, from frontline workers to executive level. This program is 100% digital, accessible from mobile devices, and is free for all Alabama residents through retirement. With your profile on the Talent Triad, you can build your resume with your learned and earned skills, credentials, and experiences. Your input can be verified by the education or training provider, if relevant. If the training provider is not yet registered in the Alabama Talent Triad, you can still enter the training as a self-attested training, as long as you can provide a link, embed code or picture of the earned credential. Then you can share your profile with potential employers. Get recommendations for personalized job opportunities. These recommendations are based on your learned and earned skills, credentials, and experiences. Get personalized recommendations for learning opportunities that will support your career growth. The Alabama Talent Triad ensures that all your hard-earned learning and experiences count. We do this through recommending job opportunities that are a good match for you based on the information in your profile. In today's job market, it's critical to plan for your future. This is especially true because technology is always changing, and employers need agile and skilled workers who are able to evolve as roles change now and in the future. Our platform can assist you in four major areas: managing your skills, getting credentials, locating socioeconomic resources, and finding jobs that match what you can do. Skills management means assessing what skills you have, understanding your skill set, and developing relevant skills that will help you scale and achieve your career goals. This helps you do well in your job and stay competitive in your career. Credentialing is the process of verifying and validating a person's skills, knowledge, and qualifications. This is done by awarding them a certification, degree, or other forms of recognition. Credentials serve as concrete evidence of your capabilities and skills, and can improve your chances of getting hired or promoted. Through the Alabama Talent Triad, we offer improved credential sharing. Each credential will also display the specific skills you learned. Job matching means connecting you to relevant job opportunities, based on your skills, qualifications, and wishes. We use the information you input in your profile to match you with opportunities where you can shine. How are skills management, credentialing, and job matching applied on the Alabama Talent Triad platform? First, we offer you the option to display all the skills you have gained, not just your formal diplomas or degrees. This is more information that is usually included in resumes and can help you meet the demands of the current job market. We also recommend relevant degree and non-degree programs that can help you build your skills and experience. Lastly, we recommend job opportunities tailored to your skills, credentials, and experiences. Our system will show you relevant positions across all industries and titles. You might be surprised to see your skills can be applied in fields you didn't consider before. The Digital Learner Wallet is how the Alabama Talent Triad manages and displays your skills. It stores your degrees, credentials, licenses, non-degree accomplishments, skills, and professional experiences in one place. This allows us to provide job and learning opportunities based on those skills and credentials. The Learning and Employment Record, or LER, is the main component of the digital learner wallet that maintains and categorizes your credentials, skills, and experiences. The digital wallet is a secure, digital format, with the ability to verify your skills, credentials, and experiences with your educational institute or former employer. You can create your profile and digital wallet from any computer or smart device. Just go to alabamatalenttriad.com and select the Start Here button on the top right-hand side of the screen. You'll see a form to input a username and password. Scroll down under the Login button to Don't Have an Account, and select Sign Up. Fill in your details and activate your account. Once you're logged in, enter your personal information. Click My Profile from the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Enter your name and email address. The rest of the information is optional, so you can decide if to fill it out or not. If you'd like for employers to have the option to view your profile, slide the button for Allow employers to view your profile, and employers will be able to reach out to you directly if they are interested in hiring you. This is recommended if you're actively looking for a new job. Next, select My LER on the left side menu on the screen. Now you're set to start adding your credentials. Remember, a credential can be a diploma, certification, license, permit, badge, or any other formal documentation of a skill or experience. To add a new credential, select the red Add Credentials button on the right. There are a few options to inputting your credential information. Sync from provider using your student ID, upload a file, add an embed link, or add a direct link. If you have several credentials, repeat this process using one of the 4 credential add methods. After adding credentials, you will be taken back to the My LER screen that shows each of the credentials you have added. From this same screen, click the Skills tab in the middle next to Credentials. For those credentials with associated skills, you should see the skills already available in your LER. If you want to add additional skills to your LER, click Add from Skills Database, search for the skill, and when you find it, click Add Skills on the bottom. Repeat this until all relevant skills are added to your LER. The skills that you choose to add should be specific to a job or experience. For example, if you have experience as a retail manager, specific skills tied to that role would include scheduling, people management, and customer success. For experiences, let's say you planned and executed a retirement party for your grandmother. The skills you displayed related to planning the party were budgeting, research, project planning, and communication. If you do not see the skills you enter in the auto-populated options, you can scroll down and select Add Custom Skill. Remember, you can add any skill you believe you have achieved in school, at work, or other activities. Think of skills that can be applied to any job such as time management, public speaking, or resolving conflicts. Lastly, link the skills you added to a specific job or experience. This will only work with experiences that are connected to providers registered in the Talent Triad. From My LER screen, click the Experiences tab. Enter the employer's name in the Employer or Sponsor field, and select the type from the drop-down list. Fill out the remaining details and click Add Experience. Your experience can be more than a job. It can be an internship, fellowship, apprenticeship, or even volunteer work. Repeat until all relevant experience has been added. All done. Setting up your digital learner wallet is that simple. Your digital wallet in the Alabama Talent Triad consists of your Learning and Employment Record, or LER, your profile, the resume builder, recommended jobs, and recommended learning. Users of the Alabama Talent Triad that utilize their LER increase their chances of getting promotions, advanced educational programs, or new career opportunities. If you display your verified credentials and skills, employers don't have to second-guess your abilities. How does it work? At the core, Alabama's major education and training institutions provide comprehensive verified learner data based on their records. These verified credentials can be from career and technical education courses, dual enrollment courses via the Alabama Community College system, and other career readiness indicators. You can also sync employer-verified skills directly from your Alabama apprenticeships and certifications as they are earned. As a student, many important and useful skills come from outside of the classroom or from practical experiences. So be sure to include all the skills, credentials, and experiences you have achieved. In the Talent Triad, you can upload or link credentials, skills, and experiences that are not available to be verified. These will be marked in the system as self-attested. A complete and detailed LER will support you in your career journey by highlighting your accomplishments and qualifications. Maintaining your LER at every level of education and throughout your career will help you identify areas for growth, such as skill development and career advancement. In today's evolving job market, where individuals may change jobs or pursue opportunities in different sectors, having a portable record of skills and credentials can be invaluable. An LER allows you to carry your educational and professional achievements with you throughout your career regardless of where you go. Adding, editing, and verifying skills in the Alabama Talent Triad is simple. Just select My LER on the left-hand menu, then click on the red button for Add Credentials. You have options above where you can select to sync from a provider, meaning you can directly attach your credential to an Alabama-based school or training program, or upload a file, embed a link to the credential or insert a URL. If you choose to sync from a verified provider, you can select it from the drop-down list. Providers that are currently in the Alabama Talent Triad are the following: Alabama Community Colleges, also known as ACCS, Alabama Adult Education, which is also a part of the Alabama Community College system, Alabama Talent Triad, EBSCO-Ed, Career and Technical Education, Alabama State Department of Education, or ALSDE. We continue to grow that list of verified providers monthly, so please continue to check back. Skills associated with your selected credentials from these verified providers will automatically populate in the Skills section of your LER. Credentials from other providers can be added manually. Embedded, linked, and uploaded credentials will show as self-attested and not verified. Skills related to those self-attested credentials will have to be entered manually. To enter self-attested skills, select Add Skills, then select Add Skills from Database. Begin to type in the skill topic or keywords, and suggestions will be shown for you to select from. We encourage you to add as many skills as possible, and be specific in your description. To add work, internship, apprenticeship or volunteering experiences, select the Experiences tab in your LER. Experiences can be verified if the employer is part of our network, or if they're not, the experience will be marked as self-attested. Experiences can be based on employment or internship opportunities, apprenticeships or clinical and lab hours. The Alabama Talent Triad provides a resume builder, and the resumes you build will be what employers see in the platform. Note that you don't have to upload your current resume, and that you can create multiple resumes to highlight various skills or career paths. The resumes you build will help optimize your opportunities recommendations in the Triad. To get started, select Resume Builder from the left side menu, and click the button for Create Resume. Enter a name for your resume along with key information for each field. You can search for skills, credentials, and experiences that you have previously added to your LER, and decide which to include in this resume. Lastly, save it as a draft or publish your resume to the Talent Triad for employers to view. If you decide to publish your resume, you can begin to receive job recommendations. To download a copy of your resume, select All Resumes and scroll down to the resume draft of your choice. Click the three dots next to the resume name and select Download as a PDF. Now you can use your skills-enhanced resume anywhere. If you're open to various roles, it's important to have a few resumes that highlight different skills, credentials, and experiences you have acquired. This will help you explore opportunities that may be relevant across a variety of industries. To view recommended jobs based on the information added to your resume, select Recommended Jobs from the left side menu. There, you will find open positions that you may be interested in, with an option to apply. If you're not sure about applying immediately, you can save the job description for later by clicking on the ribbon icon at the top right corner of the job description. If you're looking to pivot into a new industry, you can give the algorithm insight by liking and saving jobs related to the industry you want to pivot to. The more the system learns about you and your career goals, the more it can tailor the recommendations to your needs. When you select Apply to Job, you will be taken directly to the employer's site to submit your application. You can use the PDF version of your resume from the resume builder in your application. Your resumes can be edited and removed from the Talent Triad as well. As you continue to learn and gain experience, remember to update your information in the resume builder as you continue to build your LER. Once you have created your digital resume, the Alabama Talent Triad will offer recommended jobs and learning opportunities. These recommendations are personalized based on your skills, credentials, and experiences. They will also align with where you are in your career and education journey. You can also search for new opportunities, such as degree programs, certificate programs, apprenticeships, and training programs. The platform currently shows programs issued by 22 organizations, with more being added every day. These providers range from all Alabama community colleges, ACCS, campuses to the University of North Alabama and the U.S. Department of Labor. To search, select Apprenticeships in the top banner menu. In the search bar, type in an industry or role. Let's use electrician as an example. Scrolling down, you will see a list of apprenticeships in various companies and roles. On the left-hand side of your screen, you will see options to help filter your search. You can select a credential type, specific issuer, the entity that verifies the credentials, and the sector. You can also view recommended learning based on the skills and credentials entered into your LER, offered by verified education and training providers within the state. To view learning opportunities, select Credentialed Learning at the top of your screen. You can type an industry or certificate program into the search bar, but if you are curious about all that is available in the Talent Triad, do not enter anything into the search bar and select the red search button. There you will find certification programs and learning opportunities ranging from 3D design and printing to landscape management to medical paraprofessionals. You can filter your search by education level, associate's degree, badge, certificate, etc., by the issuing institution, by industry sector, and more. Some degree programs include micro-credentials within them. Let's take a look at AAS in Radiology Technology, offered by Southern Union State Community College, as an example. As you can see, this is an associate degree program that has 21 micro-credentials within it. These micro-credentials come with their own set of associated skills that can be added to your LER. If you click on the PSY 200 General Psychology credential, you will see other educational pathways that also include that same credential, providing other career or educational options to consider, offered by the same educational provider. We encourage you to explore these opportunities by searching for various keywords and professions that you might be interested in. Congratulations on completing this training. Before we finish, let's recap the main takeaways. The Alabama Talent Triad is the nation's first full-scale talent marketplace for job seekers, employees, and training providers. It is designed to help job seekers who wish to apply their skills in a new or advancing role, employers looking to find talented Alabamians to fill in demand jobs, and education and training providers working to build Alabama's workforce. The platform is secure, portable, and digital, as well as 100% free for any Alabamian. To create a profile and digital wallet for the Alabama Talent Triad, from a computer or smart device, go to alabamatalenttriad.com. Your digital learner wallet in the Talent Triad is your personal skills management system. It houses your learning and employment records, or LER, resumes and recommendations for jobs and learning opportunities. Your skills and credentials can be added into your LER. Those skills and credentials can be synced with education and training providers within the Triad. Skills that were synced from a provider will show as verified. Other skills and credentials can be saved as self-attested. When building your resume in the Alabama Talent Triad, the system will utilize the skills and credentials that you've added to your LER. If you're exploring multiple industries or roles, you can create multiple resumes and highlight different skills and experiences in each. You can opt to make your resume visible to employers in the Talent Triad. Based on the skills and credentials you add to your LER, the platform will offer job recommendations and opportunities for continued learning. The Alabama Talent Triad also provides links to resources such as apprenticeships, earn-as-you-learn opportunities, scholarships, and more. Remember, the Alabama Talent Triad was created to make all learning count, and is free for all Alabamians from now through retirement. Whether you're a high school student, college student, or enrollee in a workforce development program, by creating your learning and employment record in the Triad today, you are building a foundation for your career and education opportunities for tomorrow.